Welcome to the Holding Your Power meditation. Find a comfortable spot where you will not be distracted. Rest with your legs in the cross position or your feet on the floor. Rest your hands in your lap. Feel your back and legs against the chair. Breathe deeply in for 3. Exhale for 5. Breathe deeply in for 3. Exhale for 5. Imagine that part of you that is the center of who you are, your power, your bright spark, or your divine essence. What comes to you may be a moment, an image, a shape, a movie, but something unique about you. Gaze lovingly at the essence of you that is unique. Next to you is a crystal frame. It is not a regular frame. It is specifically designed to hold the essence of you, so it may be 3D or an unusual shape. Reach out and take hold of the crystal frame. Now take the essence of you that you found earlier and place it in the crystal frame, or bring it close to the crystal frame so that the two, the frame and the essence of you, can connect and become one object. Hold the frame with the essence of you close to your heart. Feel its goodness. Sense the beauty of who you are as you breathe it in and out. This is your agency, your power, your unique and indelible spirit. Feel it wash over you. Next, we are going to walk through 2 different scenarios. Remember, if at any point this meditation is too much, feel your feet on the ground. Keep breathing and stop. In the first scenario, I want you to go into a room with the person you feel most powerless around. It's okay, you're not alone. This person you feel powerless around may be a partner, child, parent, or someone who has hurt you deeply. Trust your subconscious to bring someone up and into the room. You are not alone, as you are carrying your crystal frame with you, holding it close to your chest. You will always have your unique and indelible spirit with you. This person approaches you and takes the frame out of your hands. They turn to the side and immediately smash the frame with a hammer. Notice how you feel in that moment. Don't react. Now, we're immediately going to move into scenario 2. Rewind the scene until you are standing with your precious crystal frame again at your chest, and you are facing the person you feel powerless around. This time, they attempt to grab the frame from you. Instead, you look them directly in the eye, pulling the frame closer to your chest. It glows and warms. You begin to grow larger than the person you feel powerless around as you look them in the eye. Now turn your back to the person and walk slowly towards the door. The person who hurt you can't reach you. They are standing still. Continue walking forward until you are out the door, holding the frame to your chest. Now close the door to the room behind you. Walk to the front door of the building, open the door, and walk out into the sunshine, still holding the frame to your chest, feeling its warmth and glow. Shut and lock the door behind you. Now turn your face to the sunshine and take in its warmth. Walk down the street until you are in a safe place in your home with your frame. When you enter your house, sit down and place the frame in your lap. Glance down at it sitting on your knees and grasp it with both hands, pulling it in front of your face and looking at it. Tell the frame and the essence of yourself. Say, "We did it. We held on to our power, that part of us that is unique. We didn't give it away. We don't ever have to give away our power ever again." Sit for a moment in the knowledge of that victory. Now begin bringing your attention back to the present moment. Breathe in and out, and in and out. When you are ready, open your eyes and bring your attention back to the present moment slowly.